In front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down. Then choose Sound and Vibration, scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate for calls. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for all your incoming calls. If you want to, you can always click on this switcher next to Vibrate in Silent as well to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Then tap on this switcher next to Haptic Feedback to switch on or off touch vibrations. If you decide to enable them, you can also adjust intensity by swiping left or right on this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!